a systematic review of the implementation, benefits, and challenges of the energy management system based on ISO 50001. By B. Prasetya, D. R. Vahono, A. Devantoro, W. C. Angundari A. and Yopi. A serious challenge in facing climate change is how to significantly reduce CO2 emissions from industrial activities. On the other hand, there is an increase in demand for energy consumption which has been followed by significant support efforts to encourage sustainable supply by exploring new low-emission resources, developing technology and conservation, and implementing energy mix strategies. In line with this, the development and implementation of a management system in energy utilization plays an important role. Based on several studies, the implementation of ISO 50001 has a significant influence on improving energy management performance, energy cost savings, and reducing CO2 emissions. This paper will review the current state of the implementation of this standard, its benefits, and challenges based on literature studies from several scientific journals and publications released by international organizations, associations, and government policies. The cost of implementation of this standard varies depending on the business model, sector, and period of implementation. Besides that, implementation of this standard also has a positive influence on the management of energy assets, evaluating and prioritizing the use of energy-efficient technologies, and driving efficiency throughout the supply chain. Several selected case studies that describe quantitative energy performance affected by the implementation of ISO 50001 at the international level with various sectors and several role models from Indonesia are explained. In general, it can be concluded that the implementation of ISO 5001 contributes significantly to increasing energy efficiency and reducing CO2 emissions. In addition, the challenges and difficulties faced by the implementation of this standard are also reviewed. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.